Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norays and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is an example of an individual's financial COI is option a researcher's 10 years old son when is local science competition. The price of for which is $5,000 scholarship to our workshop sponsored by a local company that the sponsors one of the researchers organized project. Option B, a researcher wife holds equality in a publicity Trade Farm actual so company that is also the sponsor of the researchers study. Option C, are researchers wives who works at the same university as the researchers. Option D, a researcher is a considering buying stocks in a publicly traded company that is specialized in markings and delivering hand toast pizza. The correct answer of the question is option B. A researcher wives holds equality in a publicly traded pharmaceuticals company that is also the sponsor of the researcher study. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question, ask there and ask sessions on the right side of the website. Will the from and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.